Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina here today, and today we're preparing another massage blend for our muscles. So we've already prepared the one for aches and pains massage blend. Today we're making the massage relaxer blend because our muscles, they do need some help to properly relax so we could relieve that tension, and the tension may cause headaches and other really pains and aches. Well, the oils we're going to use, they're all here. I will only start by putting the Clary oil in the bottle, in the amber bottle first. And we shall need 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil. So this blend I was making with fractionated coconut oil. This one I am preparing with sesame seed oil. And of course, if you don't have one on hand, you could use any Clary oil that you have. But that's my sesame oil. I'm going to use a little funnel here to be able to put it in here. So we need 2 tablespoons. So my measuring spoon is half a tablespoon, so I'll need to do it 4 times. And I'll be right back. I actually love sesame seeds and sesame seed oil. I believe the aroma is amazing. It's very, very delicious. All right, taking this away. All right, guys, so we have our Clary oil in here. As you can see, I do not make a lot of this blend right away. Yeah, ruin everything. I do not make a lot of this blend right away, so you could have a chance to try it out and don't waste a lot of oils in here. So for the recipe, we're going to need ginger essential oil. So ginger essential oil is very, very warming, so just make sure you know that. And we're going to use 10 drops of it. It's actually, you see, it's a rather thick oil and it's very, very colored, but don't be afraid. It's just going to take me probably a while to put it all in there. Oh no. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 10 drops. Now another warming oil, or spicy one, I'm going to use would be black pepper. I have videos about various oils that I'm using here, so you could maybe check it out and see about the benefits, like in real details. I'm going to use 5 drops of it. 5 drops of that. And now the next oil I'm going to use would be cypress essential oil, and we're going to need another 10 drops of it. I have a little bit left of a cypress, and I love using it for easing, when it's hard to breathe, respiratory issues. So I really see it's like really it's been used. So the cypress oil here, and the last one I'm going to use is the fennel. The fennel oil could be substituted for Clary Sage, juniper berry as well. We're using this oil because it's relaxing, help like muscle relaxants, also good for muscle pain and soreness, but also I love it because it's anti-inflammatory properties. But we won't need to use a lot, just 5 drops. So let's go ahead and add 5 very fast drops in here. And believe it or not, we're done. So I like to give it a little swirl like that. And every time before you're going to use it, you don't really need to shake it vigorously, just swirl it around. And I love using this blend, particularly when I'm traveling. I sometimes use very, very small bottles like this. You could also add the roll-on. Just you can find them Amazon, eBay. It's not really hard to find anything like that. And it's very convenient to just apply it on the areas needed, right? So I hope you guys like this recipe. It's I will put in the information about precautions of every single oil we use here in the description bar down below this video. Never forget to do a little patch test before applying any of the oils and new recipes on your skin, especially larger areas. And just remember that essential oil, they can help support muscle health, body awareness and flexibility, but we do not need to forget about regular weekly exercise program and stretching. Essential oils could be natural, anti-inflammatory, non-steroidal pain relievers. That's why it's very, very good. Just do experiment and see what works really best with your body chemistry, because we're all so different. If you have any questions, let me know. I wish you guys to stay very happy and healthy. If you like this video, please put the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you later. Bye.